Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Illustrated Excel 2016 Module 6 SAM Project 1B. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. Unprotect worksheet. Unprotect the first quarter worksheet from the Review tab. Step 2. Create custom view, hide rows 1026, select A1, and save as ticket_income view. Switch back to all _income. Step 3. Unhide theater worksheet, unhide the theater worksheet. Step 4. Remove footer information, use Document Inspector to delete footers. For Mac, remove footers manually. Step 5. Reorder worksheets, move theater worksheet after third quarter. Step 6. Update theater name, group first, second, and third quarter sheets, change A1 to Main Street Theater. Step 7. Add sheet name to header, add the sheet name to the center header, grouped worksheets. Step 8. Format cell A1, apply yellow fill to A1, grouped sheets. Step 9. Set custom margin, set 0.5 inch top margin, grouped sheets. Ungroup after. Step 10. Add hyperlink, link A24 in first quarter to A1 in theater worksheet with screen tip income details. Step 11. Format hyperlink, change hyperlink font to 12 points, lavender, accent 1. Step 12. Unlock cells, unlock D11, D13 in second quarter. Step 13. Protect second quarter, protect sheet without a password, allow selecting all cells. Step 14. Hide third quarter, hide the third quarter worksheet. Step 15. Add category, add movie theater to workbook properties. Step 16. Protect workbook, protect structure to prevent changes, no password. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website hhelpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.